Hey, baby. You're so cute. Yes. Are you going to write your name? You have your pen? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. Tickle, tickle. Can you make tickle, tickle? You want to go upside down? Whoops. Are you a funny bird? Hello. Can you say hello? Peekaboo. Peekaboo bird. Hello. Hello. Can you say how are you? Can you ask me how I am? Say how are you? Do you want to play pat a cake? Oh, what is it? It's okay. You want to step up? Come on. You want to shake hands? Hola. Hola. Do you want to shake hands? Hello. How are you? You're all right? Roxy, can you sneeze? Roxy? Roxy, can you sneeze? God bless you. You want to write your name? Say R. Oh, wow. 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 Are you doing your exercises? What? Oh, no, we're throwing. No throwing. Okay, go upside down. Go upside down. Go ahead, go upside down. Oh, what are you doing, you silly bird? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go upside down. Come on. He's upside down. What's the matter with you? Want to dance? Ba-da-da-dum. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Come over here. Roxy. Whee! Hooray! Hooray! Want to catch it? Catch it. Whee! Hooray for you! Roxy, God bless you. Ha, ha, ha. Is that funny? That's so funny. Say, stop. Ow, did that hurt? Ow. Are you so cute? Roxy, go say hello over here. Whoops. Go say hello. Oh, we don't want you to. Can you say bye-bye before you come here? Say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye.